DoorDash login errors are among the most frequently reported technical issues in food delivery apps. These authentication problems affect millions of users daily and can be frustrating when you're trying to place an order. Here's what a typical DoorDash login error looks like. Users encounter messages like, "Operation couldn't be completed," with technical error codes that provide little guidance on how to resolve the issue. As of August 2025, DoorDash has been actively updating its platform with enhanced security protocols in app versions 15.x and later. While these updates improve account protection, they have inadvertently increased the frequency of login-related errors. DoorDash login errors typically fall into three main categories. Understanding which type you're experiencing is essential for effective troubleshooting. The first category involves password-related errors. These include incorrect password entries due to case sensitivity, cached credential conflicts, and account lockouts after multiple failed attempts. The second category covers two-factor authentication problems. Users experience SMS delivery delays, authenticator app synchronization issues, and timing mismatches with verification codes. Authenticator apps can also fail during setup, showing generic error messages that don't clearly explain what went wrong or how to fix the issue. The third category involves network connectivity problems. Poor internet connections, DNS resolution issues, and VPN interference can all prevent successful authentication with DoorDash servers. The key to resolving DoorDash login errors is first identifying which specific type of error you're experiencing. This understanding will guide you toward the most effective troubleshooting approach and save valuable time. When facing DoorDash login issues, start with these immediate solutions that resolve most common problems within minutes. These simple steps resolve approximately 70% of login issues. If problems persist, move to password-specific troubleshooting. For password-related errors, use the Forgot Password feature. Create a strong password with at least 8 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Two-factor authentication issues often involve SMS delays or authenticator app synchronization problems. Verify your phone number format and check cellular signal strength. Network issues require testing your internet connection speed and switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Restart your router if using Wi-Fi, and consider clearing DNS cache for persistent problems. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves most DoorDash login issues. Start with immediate solutions, then progress through password, authentication, and network fixes as needed.